Calling all hairy pet owners. If you have a dog or a cat, this is a must-have product. I am not even kidding. This is by far one of the best purchases I have ever made. It is so easy to use. You literally just go back and forth and it picks up the hair within seconds. My 5-year-old uses it with no issues, and this is just something that you have to buy. You can use the link below to purchase it today. I am not kidding. You will not be disappointed. I have 4 labs, and this is a lifesaver. I mean, seriously, look at all the hair that we got just by using it on 3 cushions, and we use it every single day. You need this product. Use the link below and get one today.